What's up? It's your boy Steve, and this one is the Lenovo Tab 7 Essential. It's a 7-inch tablet. These are some of the specifications. It's thin, light, 7 multi-users. It's an Android technology. No, it would have been 7. You can read shit for yourself if you want. Nothing in, as you can see here. Wait a minute, my boys. And on the bottom, nothing, just tab Essential 7. Let's open it up. So this one is this is what comes in the box. The actual tablet. It feels cheap. Plastic everywhere. It feels a lot cheap, my boys. Here's your micro USB charger, the headphone jack. Some books and shit. File that to the side. Dual adapter. Lenovo. So, fabric. And I don't see any headphones now, boys. They didn't include any headphones now, boys. So, let's put everything in the box. Let's keep it 100% real. So, this is the cable it comes with. You can plug it with your laptop. This is the micro USB, as you can see. Here. So, we put everything inside the box. We'll see if we have any juice left. What we have here. This is where you put the SD card slot. This one is huge. This is the speakers, I think. This one is the microphone. I think that's it. And where's the power button here? No, boys. My boys, not from the volume control. I don't think so, my boys. My boys. Oh, there's not a speaker. My boys. I thought it was a fucking speaker. It's the power button, my boys. Gonna switch it on. Gonna see if we have some juice left. Yeah. We have some juice left. It's taking a while, my boys. Oh, okay. Okay, it's already on. Oh. Okay. So, I'm gonna see a bit of the interface of the Lenovo. So, I think usual stuff for notifications. You have the battery, you have auto rotate, Bluetooth airplane mode and Wi-Fi. This is the menu. My boys. Oh, this is the menu. This is the menu. Let's see the camera. I know the camera is not that good, but hey, I say let's try it, my boys. So, you're gonna see how it came. It's not that bad actually, but pinch to zoom. So this is it, I think, for it. Let's see if it connects with my Wi-Fi here from here. It's actually, I think I have to go to connect it to my Wi-Fi and come back to see what the speakers is all about. And I will be back with y'all, because I can connect with the Wi-Fi from where I am. So let's see again. It's only that page. It's not that bad for now. Clear all. So this is just wrap the video up, guys. So this is the Lenovo Tab 7 Essential 7-inch tablet. I don't think it takes it's let's see, although it has contacts, it doesn't have phone. So it's not a 3G phone. Let's see the front facing camera while we are here, because I almost forgot, my boys. So this, as you can see, is the front facing camera, my boys. Wait a minute, because this is the front facing camera. It's not that bad, but it is what it is. But it doesn't say on the box how many megapixels the front and the back is. My father just gave me this to connect it with the internet and do some shit with it, so I have to search for this, because I don't know any specifications of it. So it's your boy Steve. I'm out. Peace. Boys. So my boys, those are the specifications for the Lenovo 7 Essentials. It was released in November 2017. Doesn't take any SIM card. Weight 254 grams. My boys, it's multi-touch. Android 7.0 Nougat. No card slot. But how has this one has a card slot? How has it come? I don't know, because it said no card slot here and inside the tablet has a card slot, so I don't know what is going on right here. So the primary and the secondary, they are 2 megapixels. Not much, my boys. It's like an average tablet. Not even an average tablet, but you know. Yes, it takes video. What else? Non-removable battery. Comes with colors is in black, only in black, my boys, and the price costs 80 euros. The size of it is 7 inch, 170 ppi, resolution 600 by 1024 pixels. Nothing else, my boys. Nothing else. So it's your boy Steve. Those were some specifications of the Lenovo tablet, 7-inch Essential. It's your boy Steve. I'm out. Peace.